Including overload. Consider shutting down video settings or using a faster encoding preset. I think I'm gonna stop streaming on Discord. I think that's gonna help things a lot. Is it? Can you check my stream? If it's going on and off again?
It ended.
It ended. Oh my god. Okay, well, let's say I'm streaming again.
Let me reload.
Yeah, it says I'm streaming again.
Okay. It seems good.
Alright. I edited my stream on accident. Okay. It was technically it wasn't an accident. Okay, there's an accident. So I'm gonna change that look like. I've been streaming this whole time. Yeah. It's like two streams. Oh yeah, Dev stream. Dev stream and Dev stream. I'm gonna.
French.
Yeah.
I
think I'm gonna rename this real quick.
Stop watching your stream. I'm getting a lot of audio echo. Hi.
Hello. Oh, your friend's here.
Hi, puppy.
Your friend joined.
Yes. I cannot talk or hear
I'm
you.
currently Twitch streaming.
Okay. Oh wow.
I'm not letting it get in the way. Hold on, so B G. All right. What's in you? What's in debug? Hallway not found. What do you mean? What the hell do you mean? Hallway not found. Is that supposed to be connected or something? Right, so elif. Okay. I have to figure this out again. Good though, check if list has string. Why am I searching it up? I know how to use Python. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. That's basic. That should have been basic from the beginning. Alright, if value in up, down, left, and right. And let's make it capitalized. Can I make it uppercase, please? Oh my god, okay. Good, make string upper. Upper, okay. So you can also set U to min-max. This time we're gonna use U where it's like, okay, die index get what mix of fine. Right, so I'm just gonna find value. Alright, right, upper. I think this is fine. Let's hope it works. So I'm gonna go here. We can pop this off like a floating window. And we can add a flag called clear direction. Let's make it true. Add intrude, okay. Export. Okay, that was the wrong one. So it's supposed to be for world 3. Because this one is for Valor, I believe. Yeah, Valor. So we can... Where's the window? Export contents. Yes. You can see we apply the changes here. Close that. Play the framework. Alright, so it should be that when we go up, it's going to apply the direction schema to... Okay, something's wrong. Did I apply it to here? It says up, it should say up. Let's try down. Let's try a sideways direction and see where that leads me with. It doesn't change it. Why? So we have error. We keep getting errors. That's unrelated. Okay. That seems to be unrelated. So what if we tried, let's say, up or left? Let's go. Let's ask it to point left. Right? Can we do that? No, we can't. Oh. All right. We're gonna have to make a change to the player. So we're gonna add a variable that overrides the sprite direction. We're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna leave it like that. It's an override. So by default, it's -1, meaning it's 0. Let's just say it's 0 because it's pointing. Okay, let's just say it's -1 because it means it's not gonna change anything. So if this one is greater than -1, then we're going to set the sprite frame yada. We're gonna set U to sprite override U. Yeah, okay. Yeah, seems legit. Seems legit to me. Seems pretty much fine. So we're gonna go back to U. Instead of setting this thing, we're gonna set sprite their override. So that should make things a lot easier, hopefully. So I can just go to a new scene. We're gonna make... Damn, okay. That sucks. Godot hates me. Grr. That's crazy.
And it's all my fault.
It's his fault. Like, Godot, work with me here. I'm trying to play my game. Grr. That's the framework. Control screen. I need you. I just need this. Yeah. There we go. There we go. That's a nice little debug thing. Something is really wrong. I just can't tell what is going on. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Debug. Sprite direction override. Please. Pretty please. So let's go up. What does it say in our little console? -1. It says -1. -1. Why does it say -1? This is so perplexing.
I am Microsoft Sam. From the hit team from the orange leaf.
It's back. Wait, I'm hearing something. I'm hearing a little text to speech earlier.
You are?
I heard something. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. So
Is it?
it found the node. It is going to the.
Sam, from the hit game from the
I'm hearing something. What's going on? Something. I hear something. Microsoft Sam in the background. What?
Was that from my mic? Is it actually coming out of my mic?
Are you using Microsoft Sam?
the hit game from the roots.
Is that you?
Orange 6.
I hear it. I hear it. But it's like very faint. I don't think anyone else is gonna hear it. Alright, so we have our little framework. It should be the player points up because I tell it to do so. What is wrong? What is wrong with you? Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to print debug. Yeah, we should see something.
Hello,
We should see something.
I am Microsoft Sam. From the hit game from the roots. Orange 36.
Dizzy, I can hear that. Yeah, goober. Alright, so let's go back. That's from player GD. So let's go up. So something somewhere, play direction. When type of value screen. Why? Why is it not doing anything? For flag in args, for args flag. What? Isn't that counterintuitive? Isn't this counterintuitive or am I dumb? So we have arguments. And each flag is an argument. Oh. Alright, now that's fair. That's fair. Print debug. We're gonna debug each flag. Right, we're gonna debug in each flag. So now, maybe I have to restart the game for it to actually work like how I told it to. Data, blah, 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 blah. Transition flag. So let's clean it up. Direction. So you do see it. You do actually see the player direction. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, little one? Why are you not responding to my... This is ridiculous. This is getting ridiculous. I just need it to work. Please. I need it to work. Please work. Okay. Left. Valid. It knows. It knows it's there. But it doesn't... I actually gonna delete this. Because that's not important. What's important is this. Why is it not printing anything? I'm gonna add a string. Let's add a string called test. To show my insanity. And then I'm gonna run through the code again. Because yes. Or did we see anything? No, we're gonna restart the game. Okay, I know why. So it's trying to find okay, we're gonna have a temporary variable target flag equals no. So we're gonna keep this target flag thing. Yeah, we're gonna keep it there. Or hold on, by name. Yeah, exactly. And we are going to okay. I'm just gonna name it destination. Good. And instead of that, I'm gonna replace you with this. Replace you. Yeah, I think it should be fine. We don't need this either. Just as long as we have this. If that's the thing, then we're gonna check if value is true. Otherwise, we can check if the like valid integer stuff going on here. I think this is gonna work. Hopefully it's gonna work. Okay, please work. Please work. Wrong scene, buddy. Alright. So, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Is this going to work? No! No, it doesn't work. Why don't you work? Left. It knows its direction left. 92. 92. You're telling me it did nothing? It did absolutely nothing? I didn't even print the thing. What? Where are you coming from? Where's the print statement coming from? Fine. Print. Destination. Override. Yeah, this thing. We're gonna print you. Right? Alright, let's see if you actually work it. Please. Alright, that doesn't work. Let's see what went wrong. It printed the same thing twice. Why? Okay, there's not even a print statement in this flag group, so I don't know what's going on. The value is right there. There is a destination node, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna print destination, then new, then direction, because there is direction. So that way we can verify if there actually is a thing. I'm gonna use those just for just to make sure. What? -1, 2. -1, 2. What does that mean? So we have -1, 2. So is it an integer? Oh. Why did I elif that? So okay. So that's probably why it's not working, because it's being blocked altogether. Right, I'm going insane.
How good? What are you doing?
Lighting. Hog lighting. Hoglin. Why? Buddy, what's wrong with you? If destination node, if value is true, then this. If valid integer, then this. If valid int, valid enum, valid value. Amazing. So let's see what happens if I see no print statement coming out of that thing. Then we all know why it's not working. Okay. Great. It's an enum. It's an enumerator. It's an actual number. The question is why it's not working. So I wanna print Fine. Okay. Valid enumerator. Two. 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 So, you're telling me it doesn't set this, does it? Okay. Let's try something. Print. Yup. Alright. Let's see. Valid enum 200. What do you mean? Dumb. This is so dumb. Trying to print. We're trying to set the direction of you. It's not actually setting it. Why? Like, I mean, I am modifying it, right? Is it not being modified? Modified. Is it not being modified? Why? Refresh. Actually, now I'm gonna debug from world 1 because it's a faster journey that way. Alright. Zero. Zero? Zero? It's an integer, right? What if I set it to 1? Huh? Is it still gonna say 0? I'm going bananas. What? Look. I'm done. I'm done. What's wrong with you, Godot? What's wrong with you, Godot? Why are you doing this
It's
to
all
me?
my fault.
Why are you doing this to me? Fine, yeah. Maybe it's a string. Maybe it's a string and it's getting it wrong for some reason.
Minecraft. Very
Rio.
nice space.
Yes.
Very nice space.
Okay, I swear. I'm about to end it. What type is this? Is this not an int? Okay. I'm gonna pull out the Godot interpreter. Online. Yeah. I'm done. I'm just gonna run it. I'm just gonna what? Okay. Print this. Yes, allow. Run. Var val equals up. Down. Left. Left. 2. It should say 2. Right? That's the number. Now I'm gonna set it to val converted to U. So convert. Right? Variable convert. Right. So Godot get type, get var type. Yeah. Okay. Type off. So we use type off for this thing. Run. It doesn't say anything. No. Okay. Let's look at what it actually does. Type of. So, type of variant. So it gives an integer. Return C. Type string. C also type string. Alright, so I'm gonna put a type string. Inside the type string, I'm gonna put the type of. I'm gonna put convert. I'm missing a semicolon. Parenthesis. Integer. Integer. It's an integer. Why is it not setting it? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with this code? It is not setting it. Fine. You wanna have it that way? Variable temp equals you. Setting it to temp. 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 That's an integer. Yes? Integer. Please. Please. Why is it not working? Going nuts over this. Right. You know what? Do I have to be very direct? Do I have to be direct with this? Okay. Fine. Fine, we're not gonna use you. We're gonna use something else. We're gonna use the match case, as promised. Because apparently, it doesn't like my one-liner. Match. Value. Right? Match value. Up. Up, down, left, right, okay? Up, down, left, right. Ew. 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. Left. Right. Please work. Please work. If you don't work. Okay. Almost. Up, down, left, right. So, what did we learn, people? What have we learned today? Down, down, up, right, left. That's counterintuitive. That's very counterintuitive. So, if... Can I map that, actually? So, you have sprite override. That's one. So, I'm gonna do a fancy little trick again. Up, down, left, right, right, and then we're gonna have it. Fine. Down, up, right, left, alright. Now, hopefully, it's actually gonna work. I told it to go left. It's looking right. It's looking right. Down, up, right, left. So, maybe I just need to add it by 1. Yes. Yes, yes. That's all I need to do. Finally! Finally! It works! So, alright. It now goes left because I set it to go left. Busy, how's Nils Fine Game going?
Gaming.
Gaming. Alright. We want it to look right? So, touch of it, what the hell you mean? So, okay, that's a little quirk because I set it here in the trigger to go left. What if I just set it to true? Yes, we're gonna set it to true. That's true, Mitchell. Interesting. Interesting. What? invalid index store on base object type array. So that's good. I'm not doing that. What did I do? Let's see if it works. Down, right, up, left. Says left. It's a value. It says 3. But for some reason, it's not going in the direction I asked it to go to. Undo. Okay. It says right. Let's say up. I want it to go up. Right. I tried doing that. Up. Down. What? The player is just gone. What is going on? Why? Okay, that's weird. I'm gonna check the framework. Five. Now that's funny. So it should be an integer when I set it, right? So 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. This one is the destination node, which is here, which is 0 1 2 and 3. The question is, what is going wrong? Why is it not behaving again? Let's add a dummy string. Maybe that's gonna help things. All right. Okay. Maybe it'll work this time. Why? Why do you do this to me? Ah. Okay. I should have done that. Why did I add? What was the point of adding? Right, so that says left. That's pointing left. Okay, what did we put here? Left, correct. What if I put it to the right? What direction is it gonna point at now? To the left again! I forgot to say. Okay. Okay, works. It works! It finally works! So I can do it where it looks, the direction looks seamless. Right. Put it up. This one, I'm gonna point it right. Here, it's gonna go left. You can see that in action. Let's try here. Okay, funny thing, because I did not set these properly, I need to add the flag. Player, direction, true. All you need to add. Then just add it here. I think we're done. I think it's done. I think now I can move on to the art part of this whole thing. Yes. Yes, thank you. Finally. Finally. There we go. We have some prompt.
Gaming.
Gaming. We gaming. Alright. So, I'm sorry to say, but Yeah, this is good. I think I'm gonna rename you because we have packs. The way this works, we have packs, which contains worlds. So I'm gonna name this Overworld Test Pack. And I'm gonna make a new. I'm gonna copy you. Name it name pack. Alright. So I'm deleting these other two. Go to main pack. So it's basically the same. All we're gonna do is we're gonna delete all of this. I'm going to change the level tile set. Get out of the way, Discord overlay. I don't need that. New. No. Open. Open. We just want from the roots, subgames, new assets, art. This is all we have. So level tile set. That's the rebound tile set. I don't know why that's here. I'm not gonna use that, so I'm just gonna open the PNG. So what are the basic? I'm keeping this for compatibility. I'm just gonna add more. So our first tile set should be grass, obviously. Grass. Because why not? Who doesn't like good grass? Now I'm gonna pull out the character study sprites. Where's my layer at? The layers are gone. Oh, it's here. So we're adding a second layer. I'm gonna see how it looks if we have a cactus on a green background. Looks fine. What do you think? They're good right now, actually, so I'll wait for them later.
Aiming.
Grass. Is this a good green? You like the green? Or is it too goofy?
Streaming on YouTube. I need to watch your YouTube stream if I want to see that.
Oh, I'm gonna...
A good green.
It's a good green?
Yes.
I'm gonna
I watched your
stream
YouTube stream.
in... I think I'm just gonna screen share this with no audio. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so yeah, it's a good green. It's a good green. I wanna see how NFG decorates the grass. I think you've shown it to me. I'll find it here. Is it here or did you upload it in your thread? I think it's in your thread.
I'll send it to you because it's in Rambling.
Ooh, grass.
Oh,
Is that 16 by 16?
What? No, my tiles are 10 by 10. No, my tiles are 20 by 20.
That's curious, actually.
It
Very
worked.
curious.
It just, I wanted it to be bigger so I could have more detail.
Hmm.
And also, it's a good size to Pedro for most things.
What if I... Alright, so the current tiles we have is 16 by 16. What if I made it 24? Like 24 colors.
Yeah, that's good.
I think it's too big though, because like, if I'm gonna put
I'd make
reference...
it 20 by 20.
Because like, hold on, let me find it. Because I'm gonna put it in reference to this, because you notice they already fit in an 8 by 8 kind of grid thing. Not the furniture though; those are like in their own place.
They're objects.
They're objects. Okay, actually, it kind of makes sense because 24 is just 8 times 3. Maybe I'll just make 8 by 8. multiple 8x8 tiles, perhaps. Or what do you think? Do you think multiple variants of small tiles work, or should I go for bigger 24x24 tiles?
I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. I wouldn't tile your house. Most interiors that I do are sprite work, and then the exteriors are
Oh, the only thing I'm
tiles
tiling is the
because
floor.
I need to
Because
do
like
so many exteriors.
the only thing I'm tiling is the floor. Because like the furniture has non-grid standards. Like you can see there's like a couple chipped off pixels here. You can see that it's not this furniture is not even centered.
Yeah, I know.
But in the grand scheme of things, I think if let's say I were to make sidewalks,
Yeah, I'd make them that big, like that
Six-
size that you have currently
24.
selected.
24, okay. Alright, so we'll make them that size. The issue is this schema is 16 by 16, so either I'll make a new tile set or I'm gonna break compatibility with this one. You know what? Let's make a new tile set. Who cares? Yeah. Who needs? Grid. Okay. I need grid 24 by 24. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna add 16 more tiles. Actually, yeah. That is a lot of tiles. And also, it's a bit disorienting if I'm gonna see here. The tile set was made for 24. Yeah, okay, actually, you know what? I'm just going to do a cool trick called let's see. I'm going to expand each tile by 1 extra pixel, because why not? Because that way I'm not breaking compatibility and I can use it with that big of a tile set. I think it works. I think it will work. And then it's basic patterns either way, so it's not like, you know. How big is? I'll set the canvas to 24 times 16. Same thing. I think we should be good. What do you think of my plan here? I'm making everything bigger.
It depends on exactly what like most things in size, like that sidewalk. I might actually need to make my road tiles bigger. Make more sense because cars are much bigger than.
Okay. Grid. Now we're gonna change it to 24 by 24.
You may notice like Steel's new game where the sidewalk, like, yeah, the sidewalk tiles are like 4 different tiles for each piece.
4 different tiles.
Or it's like, yeah, I think it's 4 different tiles, something like that.
Intriguing.
He has big sidewalks now in Davenport. Who hunters?
Who hunters? Who
The hunters of who?
It sounds like a very specific group of people.
Ruth.
It sounds like the wrong kind of specific people. I'm thinking of a different kind. The not so good. Wait, what song? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna extend you up to the world. Oh no, wait, no, that's correct. Okay, my bad, my bad. I did a mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. I love a sprite. I could easily do this. Yeah, I could just control and then drag it, drag my selection, and then I get a new sprite instantly. Now these guys, these are gonna be an issue. I'm gonna have to fill, 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 Philippines. Okay. Lucky for me, these are actually tileable. In a sense, yeah, I can just do that. They're the same pattern. I think I'm just gonna rebuy it again. Wow! A sprite, my beloved. I can do that so quickly. Yeah. Which I think is very cool. Because that means I can do this too. Hold on. Yo, I should have done that. That was so dumb. It's because I just realized because they don't work well with transparent stuff. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna manually do it. But I turned out you can do this. You can do this. So dumb. What do you think of my enlarged tile set? That's gonna break so many things. That's gonna break so many things. Let's see the world. Oh boy!
Okay.
Oh boy! It looks like a glitched. It looks like a glitched NES game.
It would be easy to fix. You just need to
Yeah, I
change
know.
the.
It changed the
size.
house size. I'm just gonna set this real quick. There were some. Alright, let's set it here. I forgot to ping. Sob. Despair. Despair 6. This stream has been going on for a long while actually. Ridiculous. Okay. Mistakes
Gaming.
have been made. Mistakes have been made. Yeah. Alright. Or just, yeah. We got partners. We got a partners thing. Like, it's either my stuff. Oh, jeez, that's a lot. Just went live on Twitch. Just went live on Twitch. Just went live on Twitch. Huh? It keeps repeating the same thing. What is going on? I think that's because of the delay earlier. The lag. This really looks like those glitched Nintendo games. See, that doesn't help much, does it? I have to set it up again. I have to set it up again. That didn't help. Oh, did it? The Atlas, buddy. Can I change it? The region is 24 by 24. Ooh. Ah. Wow, so big. Amazing. I think I fucked up the colors here. Yeah, I'm sure. Change it. Yeah. Place you. Yippee. Now I just need to like flip these little corners. Drag you here. Extend you here. I should have done that here as well. That's crazy. Alright. Bum 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 bum. Now it's 24 pixels. We went from 24 bits to 24 colors, and now we have 24 pixels. Real.
24. Or like, yeah. Bloody horror. Ruth. 24? More like Nil's fine game.
Nil's fine game. I'm keeping
With
this.
LB remotes.
I'm gonna keep these out of bounds because you know what? Green floor. Enter. This is so big. It's ridiculous. This looks so big. I'll be honest.
It depends on really how you wanna
I think.
the tiles to the player.
Okay, now if you go here. I go to another room. I know it's gonna break. Look. What the hell? The shadow occlusion layers broke.
I wonder why.
I need to fix that as well. Come on. This feels like,
And
you know those bases? It feels like one of those. It feels like, yeah, it feels like one of those. I broke the collision and the occlusion layer. Isn't that great?
it's probably because all the collision for the tiles is like super small now.
Yeah, you think. Physics. Physics. You like physics? Weird. Shape. Okay. See, it's just a quick fix, people. Now I'm gonna put the occlusion layer back now. Clear. Right, this should be fixed now. And also the way it was supposed to work. Oh nah, hold on. Those are really big tiles. Those are really big tile sets. So I'll like fill in the background, like got here, and then if it's more inner inside or something, then you get that. Pesky circle. There's a circle in the way. I think this feels more to scale. This actually feels more to scale. What do you think?
I think it feels more to scale. I think it makes
More
sense in a sense because NFG's tiles are built to be 1 unit of Pedro's walking distance, if that makes any sense. If Pedro was tied to the grid, the tile size would still make sense.
Alright. We have the event handler. I don't want to go through the event handler right now. Right, so we can start making you more tile sets now. At least. No, not you. The other image, the you. Yes, you. Is that energy in the background? Bum 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 bum.
No way! Pedro die.
Real. Is it loud? Nah. Bum 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 bum. I added more soundboards on my server.
Really?
That's really silly. It's really silly. I think, yeah. How do we make grass? I think it's actually a bit too loud for my liking. And next song, please. Music. Music, I'll play the classic outro music. I'm gonna add undertone. Add you to the palette. Add a darker tone to the palette. Okay. Brush away. What do you think? Okay, I think I could just use a darker, like maybe that'll work. What do you think of this?
It's good. I like that.
I think 4 variants is enough. Don't you think? I used to have a style. Like, I'm gonna open my website. I used to have this particular style. Not you. Get out. You. This one. You can see the little. This was basically a fan art contest for a game called The Final Earth 2. Basically. Actually, for the developer, because you can see they have, yeah, this is actually the one. You can see there's like 3 sections. So yeah, this dude, it's basically fan art of this guy's 3 games. I don't know what the other one is. That's actually the main focus point of the painting. Of the art, actually. That's right here. Alright, world shaper. Okay. I don't know why I don't see it. This one. Yeah, you can see the style. Oh. Wait, no, this is a different one, I think. Huh. There used to be another game. Ah, that's interesting. Or that's real. That's weird. They have an itch. I think it's in their itch though. Stop the darkness. Yeah, this one. Same pixel style. You can kind of see where the art idea comes from. I actually really like this kind of thing that I made back then. You even have like the little shadows under the tree. I played before. But I'm not going to play that right now. Basically, I think maybe I'll go for this. I should add some noise, perhaps. Like what I did before. I think the spray should be big, though. So, like 10. I'll limit my selection here. I think that's too dark, though. I'm gonna make it more subtle. What do you think of my concept? I don't get anything. Wait, I don't hear anything anymore. Hold. Oh no, I hear something. Okay, I thought my microphone is broken. I thought my headphones were broken. But what do you think of this little task that I made? I think it looks a bit messy though, not gonna lie.
I like it. You'd normally make variations off of that grass texture. Like NFG has, I believe, I don't remember, I gotta check.
You have like 2.
Like, we have
3, I think. 2 or 3.
No, we have more of grass variants than any other tile. Yeah, along the left side. Let me see.
I
I got to check.
I'm gonna make it.
Like, I have little flowers in my variants too. There is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 variants, but there's different types of grass too. We have 1, 2. It's not in that tile set, but I have another type of grass than that. So we have 3 different variants of
maybe I
just
need
normal
it
grass.
to look more convincing. Maybe a different hue helps. Slightly different hue helps. No, it doesn't
Make
help.
stuff desaturated sometimes.
It's actually a bit okay. Maybe. In that case, I'm following NFG style things.
True.
No, it's not. Something isn't giving. Maybe I need to add more detail to these basic little leaves. Maybe a color in between. No. What do you think? What do you think of this change?
Gaming.
You like it? Because I myself
It's
am
good.
not.
I wouldn't
I'm
use.
not convinced.
I wouldn't use so many colors for just the simple grass, though. I like using a small amount of colors for stuff that only need. It makes it feel simpler to look at.
Okay, this one. There's only like 3 colors.
How many colors are my grass tiles?
3.
My grass tiles are 3 colors as well.
I don't know how steel does it. I think I'm gonna revise.
Steel does it the same way as me. He just uses brighter colors.
I'm gonna revise these because I think this one looks actually fine.
We make interesting shapes with our grass.
This has to look.
It's not just simply lines, but it's more like
a shape.
tufts. Sometimes they even have a top to them, or square, or triangle-ish, or whatever.
What do you think?
Nice. Looking good.
Maybe I should move it here. Huh. Okay, that's actually interesting. This one looks too flat. I'm gonna remove you. I think we need to be upside down. I actually need to remove this as well.
It doesn't matter if it's too flat. I mean, just look at the NFT tiles. They have a flat top. Some
they
of
have
them.
flaps.
But that's not. It doesn't mean it's not okay. It's a wad of grass. Big wad of grass. It doesn't mean it needs to be their strands all the time. It makes it easier to look at anyways when it's like that.
What about this one? Are we gaming? Probably not. Yeah, this one has a particular symmetrical shape to it. What do you think? I think I'll shift it around now so that it's more like centric. What do you think?
Let me check. They don't always need 2, but that's good. I like it. They don't always need to be in groups of 2 though. If you wanted to have like something like it's one off. I'd also technically my grass tiles do have 4 colors. If you wanted to count the dandelion, that could sometimes be in a tile.
I'm gonna make 4 unique variants. Perhaps you. Right, so we're gonna add a wad of leaf. What do you think? Simple grasslands. Got simple grasslands going. Nice. I think this looks okay. Oh, please do this one. Let's turn off the grid. What do you think? I will probably plan on adding detail, so I'm gonna keep that at the back of my mind. Adding animation. Keep that at the back of my mind. I think the way they do it is that they have this kind of have it like this way, right? And then they just animate that. Great. I'm gonna leave like a space of 4. Should I add another type of grass? I think I'll add. Actually, while I'm at it, I'm gonna add dual, dual. How did you? Where did you? Where's that? Do you have like a 2 grid thing?
Oh, dual grid. That was. What's the extension called? I gotta find it. Let me check in my NFG. I was looking at Steve's NFG, so for reference, last. But and let me click. Computer. Godot is frozen.
Oh,
Better
no.
terrains or something. It was called something like better terrains. Do you want me to send you the base for dual grid tiles? Do you understand the concept of dual grid tiles?
Yes, I've studied them before. What about this green? Is this better, or you like the one before?
I don't know.
I changed the green. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that.
You like this better?
Yeah.
Oh wait, you're wrong. Hold on, it's supposed to be this color. Yeah, I think that looks better.
Let me find the dual grid
Better.
.zip. And I think this is it. Let me check though first.
Yeah, I found it. Better terrain.
Yeah, it's better terrain, but I meant send the. Here's a zip file with different dual grids as a SVG, so you could resize them and do whatever. I sent it in VC chat. That's what the guy sent me. He sent me that after Yep. It has 3 different easing types. It has smooth, it has blocky, and it has vertical.
Alright.
You'll see.
Peculiar.
You'd open them in your browser or something. So you could.
Oh, interesting.
Then you'd like use some program to convert SVG to PNG and then select the size of your,
Alright.
tiles multiplied by 1, 2, whatever. You understand.
I think I can manually make smooth stuff. I can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just make it around.
I have them as PNGs, but they're only 20 by 20.
Better terrain. So any version works?
You can do way, you could do way more. Actually, I think you got to use the version that's just called Better Terrain, because the other one's for a very specific version of Godot. But yeah, that should be good. And it does way more than just vertical tiles. Not vertical tiles.
Vertical tiles.
I meant dual grid tiles. It does way more than just dual grid tiles. But I haven't looked into what else it can do.
So how do you use it?
I sent you a video
Alright.
talking about it.
I'll look into it. I'll just be right back. Go to the bathroom.
Road. Gaming. Nil games.
Okay. So, let's look at the video. Where thy video? Yeah, this.
Hi. Recently, Jet. This is never. If you don't, I'm gonna. So I'm
He
gonna add.
explains it and how to use
Has
the.
its top left.
Offset it?
If I play a called Dirt Rain, I'm gonna make a new. So gonna get now on of the dirt square, so I know what I'm dealing with. Now, when I click dirt in a square, I'm gonna want to put that top left corner, so I can test that out. That's fine. Corner. Now, for decorations to work,
and he's gonna do that to. He does it to all the tiles, even though in the video he says he's not gonna show it. Him doing it to all the tiles, he just does it for all the tiles.
Little spinning, lots of them together.
He it's not completely done yet. That's why it looks so messy when he's drawing with it. But once he's done with it, later in the video, you'll see.
Fill in all.
Alright.
I don't know why he laid them out like that, where they're not connected in any way at all. That confuses me.
So that's these, and the other one top left. Yep, and the other ones are going to be decorations because they're empty in the top left. Then I'm going to fill in the peering bits. So this one, it's top left and top right. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but if we think about where this would be placed, I'll just zoom down here.
Then
this would be
once
placed.
He's done with all of them, he should be able to just draw with that.
When we've got dirt to the right of it, and all the stuff that goes around it will be decorations. So that would need dirt to the right. This one, similarly, when dirt is below it. This one goes like that. This one's the combination. I said I wasn't going to explain them all, but you can kind of see there's a pattern. The center and bottom sort of corner
and you'll see in the video
just make up
when he actually
the same pattern that the tile has.
Okay.
You'll see.
Is that it behaves.
And now he's just drawing with dual grid.
Quite nicely.
Do I need the plugin to do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now if we come down here, I'm gonna fill the sort of right.
How did
I think you need to enable it and then restart, because you have to do it in a tab that's specific for better terrains. That's in the tile thing.
Okay. Womp.
So restart.
Womp.
Go.
Womp.
I already sent you that dual grid zip after whatever.
I need to find the best possible sound.
Womp. I think that's actually the name of that sound.
Womp.
Ruth. I know what song you're playing.
All right, so you said it's in a specific tab. Pattern. You said it's in a specific tab. Where is it? How? Where? Oh, it's this one.
Yeah.
It's this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Because I think it's also in a different language for some of the UI. You might notice. But obvious to tell the one that's modded in. But I really liked that video, the 47 to 15 thumbnail at the top.
That's the first thing I watched. Like,
explained it so well for me.
Unfortunately, it seems like a hassle to implement it, so I'll just stick with my normal tiles. Which is me in a nutshell.
I wanted to try and create that myself with tool scripts, and it was I just decided to look for a plugin instead after that. Tool scripts are like the scripts that can run in engine as well.
I need a template. I did not memorize the layout. Ah, fuck it. I'm just gonna.
Oh, look. I could send you one of NFGs and you could size it up or something.
Okay.
Already set up dual grids. You just need a. I might have some of them already as a PNG too, without.
Bomb.
Honey.
Bomb. 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 Bomb.
Okay, that's the diagonal one. That's 2020. Here's dual grid smooth and dual grid diagonals. Each checkered piece is a separate tile. Those are the two main ones. If you really wanted the blocky one, it's quite easy to do, really.
48.
My tiles are 20x20, so you'd have to expand it,
96.
And then you could clean it up or something if you needed.
Like,
there's
okay,
one blank
check.
tile in the entire section, and I don't know what to do with that blank tile at all.
All right, dirt. Is this a good enough dirt? I think it needs to be.
I'd make it less yellow if that makes sense. I'd make it. That's good. That's good. I like that.
Should I make it lighter, or that's okay? That's the sweet spot.
That's good. But sometimes I make it more red, and I sometimes even make it slightly bluer if that makes
I'm
sense.
gonna copy this because I just realized I'm editing the palette.
Oh, you have a palette?
I edited the palette. I should not have edited the palette. Alright. We have it. We have it, fellas.
Yep.
Alright. So, I'm gonna make a lighter one. That's for later. Alright, so I'm gonna make a normal tile set like I would for a normal tile set, if there is such a thing. Alright. Yoink. Okay. So let's fill it in. Right. Does it allow variants? The plugin? Can you have like variants for terrain or? For the tile, I mean.
Oh, you just replace the tile with a variant if you want. It's quite literally how that would go.
I want to see how it looks like. NFT.
What I do for the grass around the dirt is I take all the grass colors that I have, and I draw a messy outline with all of them around the dirt and make them bleed in and do stuff. I could legitimately just send you that tile set pixel for pixel if that will help, because I don't really care if it's public.
I think I'm gonna figure out my own style for a bit. If I struggle, then I'll just go back to what you were doing. I'll just go to you for the thing. Here's an intriguing thing. Would that work?
What's it called? Tile packs. There it is.
And I just fill it
Oh
in.
no, that's what happened.
Okay, does it look like this would work?
What? Yep, I like that. That's good. But I don't know how you'd make that,
How I'd make that what?
into a, I wouldn't do the light on the outside. I don't think that makes too much sense.
Oh,
make
it's
more
backwards.
sense with
Okay,
the
I'm
light.
dumb. I'm dumb. It's backwards.
And I don't know if I'd make it fade in that quickly, too. I think it looks just fine like that, but I'd mess up the grass instead of messing up the dirt around it, so it looks all like patchy grass around that dirt. Like, I wouldn't spray paint the grass in, I'd probably just make it look like it's bleeding through to the dirt, if that makes any sense at all. I'd use the other grass colors you have, like the dark greens.
What did I do with it?
Just draw in some details around that grass, around the edges of the grass, with those. Make it look like you're
that?
seeing the edge of that grass going into the dirt. Yeah, that looks somewhat looks kind of messy with the floating particles on the the bottom
Alright,
and
I'm gonna
the
remove that.
right tiles.
Alright. No more floaties.
Uh,
Floaties go bye-bye.
Yeah.
They go bye-bye. We. Okay. 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 I think I can I go and fix it? But
I'd
it's
remove
just
the
practice.
floaties of the grass.
Dark color.
The grass floaties. Okay. That's not exactly what I mean. That kind of works, but
In other words, what if it's both ways? You do it for here as well. Like,
what I mean is like remove those floating bits of grass on the dirt. It's specifically
oh,
visible on the bottom
right,
and
yeah,
the right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Better? Better?
That's much better. You want controlled chaos in a way. Gaming.
Gaming. Not too much, fellas. I'm trying to round it out maybe a little bit. Not too much.
Oh, make it more circular?
There
Yeah,
you go.
that's a good
Is
idea.
it better?
Yeah, that's much better. I'd then I just tweak that not personally. I'd more personally go up to each tile and then tweak it after that, make it look specifically nice. How you'd want it to look, if that makes any sense at all. I don't normally do that unless you feel it's better.
I feel it's
It
better.
depends.
That's fine.
Okay.
And then this corner is a bit too high.
Okay.
And flatten it out a bit. What do you think?
I like that.
I'm gonna see. What I would do after is I'm gonna put the character on the thing. See if it works. So let's put Acty here.
I'd also, you probably already planned to, but I'd also make like alternate tiles for like details in the dirt, kind of like how I do with grass. Normally you don't need as many unless you have like a lot of patchy places with no grass.
So, oh no, what color is this? I want to add a bit of detail. Is that fine?
Mhm.
Like this. Add it on the sides.
For my dirts, I'm gonna check what my dirt has. I have 2 browns for my dirt, and I have on my grass I have 3 greens. So I just combine those for all the edge tiles. And the detailed tiles if I need.
What do you think? Oh, okay, it looks a bit messy.
I like that if you just make it less messy, if that makes any sense.
That's messy. Yeah.
I
That's
just smooth it out.
More controlled in a sense.
Yeah, that's looking good.
I'll figure out the grid later. I'll just fix it up when it's
Make
done.
it exist first, and then clean it up later.
Yeah.
Like that one post on X.
That's that's the advice I've been
given
given so often. I feel
That's
like
looking good.
I feel like I want to make the green a bit more visible, less chaotic. You know what I mean? Like round it out. Almost.
Reminder that all those middle tiles would probably not be possible in Engine unless you want to.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna tweak it later because I just want it to exist. I'll worry about the grid. I'll worry about it matching with the grid later.
That's nice.
I'll tinker with it. What if we used you? Not that far.
You could also use the other dark green that you have too, if you
Yeah,
wanted
I have two. That's why
more
I'm planning
detail.
to use that. I think it's better with the darker green.
Well, in NFG I use both of the dark greens for the detailing around the dirt and stuff. I like kinda, I don't know how to explain it. I don't make them ease into each other because they're both on the same layer, but it looks kind of like the blades of grass running into the edge until it meets the dirt in a sort of way.
What do you think of this? The lighter dark is on the outer, so it looks like this. Done.
It's good.
I
like that.
feels a bit messy. That's what
Well, it's kind of supposed to be messy. It's grass.
I feel like I want to be slightly less messy. Is what I mean.
Okay. I
That's
think
too
it
big.
really feels like blades, though, with what you're doing. That's good.
Maybe I'll just maybe no, I think it just lacks thickness. I'm gonna add a bit of that into it.
I really like that tile.
You really like it?
That tile right there. Yep.
See, I'm just gonna add slightly more, just so that it feels like it's more cohesive. Right? Yeah, what do you think? What do you think?
This is good.
It's good. I like it. Now I'm gonna fix it up. There you go. In a way. Yeah. I'm just gonna delete this. Now,
I just placed the tiles onto that big slanted grid thing.
I need to offset it a bit.
Oh.
Hmm. Yeah, I think that's good.
So the corner one goes in the top left. Top left of the
Wait, I want to see your tile set.
That's okay. Yeah. Corner 1 goes into the top left. So the small black tile in the corner.
I think it's too.
I think you're not. That's.
Not, huh?
I don't think you put that tile in the correct place, buddy. Yeah.
That's the top
okay.
left corner.
No, you put the other tile in the wrong place. Completely. That one.
Doesn't that go here?
No.
That's like.
No.
Because
Look.
I see here.
That's.
Maybe it's because
okay.
maybe because you think it's wrong because it's too big, and I need to make it small.
No. Okay. So you need to take your 4 corner tiles, just take them out, and make one area with it. No, no, like put them all, smash them all close together.
Yeah.
Yep. Now you... Man, yeah, these are big tiles.
Did I make it smaller? Like make it so that this whole area is like here instead. What do you think?
Well, those are the easiest tiles to do. You could do those first.
Like, what if I make it so
Because
that
you just need half of that middle top tile. You don't need to do that. Because you're gonna use that for reference for what you're gonna do up there. Or you could, I guess, but it's not gonna be too helpful. That works. Yeah. Now take all the corner tiles. I guess. Yeah, that works. For a small patch, yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on. I think I should have accounted for the detail thingy. Just go down before any of these starts touching. I should have undo this first. See, this pixel's not gonna go past that. Same for this one, I'm gonna move it until it's here. Same for you. Just move it in a way where nothing is touching it. These two are low lives. Go away.
Okay. Now, if you copy all the corner tiles and put them together, what will it look like? That's good. Yep, that's good. That's basically, if you place one random tile in the middle of nowhere, that's what it would look like. So that's just one, like, tiny hole patch, so that's good. And you could place those tiles onto that grid. I thought that was another tile because it was so big before. Now you're gonna have to make the slanted tiles afterwards, but it's fine. Those ones are decently easy.
Oh boy! I gotta make the corner tiles now. How am I supposed to do that? I'm just gonna... Little trick I learned. I was making rebound.
Yeah.
I'm gonna...
Oh, you're making it... that's what the blocky type is called. When it's a direct, like, up. You could also have it slanted, or you could have it,
Yeah. Oh, they're not even. Are they even? Hold on, what's this size? 15 by 14. 14
Remember,
by
they have to
14.
be half of a tile, or a,
Well, does it have to be half? Does it have to be half?
not that. I meant the, what's it called? Yeah, that's good. It should be half.
Okay, it's 14. It's
Supposed to be
each
half.
tile is 14 by 14.
Those are supposed to just be like, you know, a quarter of a
12.
tile.
12 by 12.
Quarter tile. Because you're gonna be, it doesn't need to be. I guess it works if it's not, but as long as it's not bigger and like somewhat halfway like out of an entire tile, and it should still theoretically work in Engine, it's fine.
I'll make it match. Oh, we're sacrificing a bit of detail for this.
You don't need to if you feel like you can pull it off without doing that. It's just more for the sake of
Evenism.
exactly. Having even tiles.
I could probably pull it off. Let's undo everything we just did. Actually, no, because like I kind of do want it to be even, because like not all the tiles are even. I just keep doing. I should keep doing. I think. Okay, so now my issue is this. Yeah, those two kinds of tiles are my issue right now.
My issue is more the slanted tiles.
Omori. No spine Omori.
Wait. You're more so just doing the edge tiles, if that makes
Edge
sense.
tiles,
I don't know if that's
yeah.
the right term.
Yeah, edge tiles.
That's not even. You're doing the slanted edge tiles, is what I should say.
This looks fine, right?
I'd put it into one whole tile. So do you want it to be smooth? Do you want it to be diagonal, or do you want it to be blocky? Because that's the blocky type.
Yeah, it's
Where it's
blocky.
L-shaped is the blocky type. Slanted is where you actually like my NFG ones. I think are the slanted type. I believe if you look at them,
I think
they're
I'll
not
just round it out.
L-shaped, but they're or something. If I could,
I'll round it
look at
out.
them.
Yeah.
You'd round it out. I think that's still technically the blocky.
No, I'm not.
type,
I'm not done
but-
yet. I'm not done yet. Yeah, trust the process, buddy.
I gotta check my phone.
This one. Round enough for you? Rounded is cool. Now I gotta do it for the other ones as well. wanna do it again. I'll extend for like another 1 hour. There's so many notifications. I'm gonna leave it as this. Hold on. Oh damn. Okay, that was loud. Right, back to you. Back to you. You back to me. I like what I'm seeing so far actually. This looks rather fire. Bum bum bum. Bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. 12, 7, 7, and jazz. See, all I gotta do is round it off. Not like that, like that. Yeah, like this. Rather okay. It's for my standards. Okay, now the real question. I have this You have this. You're gonna combine both of them somehow. Interesting. You can like remove this. Yeah, it's fine. That looks okay. It's actually kind of good. Actually, kind of good, not gonna lie. Tiny tweet. And what does it look like? It actually looks kind of good, if I may say so myself. Kind of fire. And finally, we're gonna have this thing. Oh no. Right. So we're just gonna clip off this border, 12 by 12. Delete. Clip off this border, 12 by 12. Now we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna insert it. Alright. Now the idea is that I clip this. So now I was like kind of combine them together here. I think I'm gonna have to like make another erasing line right here. Yeah. It's like a Frankenstein sprite. Combine them together. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Now we can add that now. We're done. We're technically done by now. Okay. That's nice. Yes. We're done. You've done it. Ah. Oh boy. Yawn. It's sleepy. Alright, so there we go. That's our tile set now. That's our brand new tile set. Now I'm gonna leave room just in case we want more variants. Right, I'm gonna save that for now. Yeah. The hell you need? Refresh. Save. Reload. I think yeah. We can change it. And we still stand by. Jeez, okay. Okay, so we've done the tile set now. And I moved it so that we have more room. Like, we can add another tile set here and another tile set. Very cool. Now, I just need to refresh it. Okay.
My mom gave me her spicy food because she didn't like it.
She can't eat it. Damn.
No. Did you do the full?
Yeah.
Full
I did the full.
My dog was touching my keyboard the entire time I was gone. Okay. And now he. Oh my gosh. Get up. Get up. I don't want you to get
Ah.
Oh, you did a... Oh, okay, I see. You did a
That's cool.
smooth sheet.
Yeah, smooth. So, question. I have a question. Why is my it's not updating here?
You have press Control S
Control S.
in Sprite.
It's saved because you see it's here. You can see the new tiles, but it doesn't show up here. Why?
Click off the tile map and click back on. It's a Godot issue. Loading issue.
The plugin can't see it, but tile map can.
And you just have to reload Godot because it's not communicating to the plugin.
That sucks. Okay.
I think they should just make it.
Oh wait, hold on.
Shortcut
I
to reload.
remember something. Control grid. What's that? Hold on. I found something called control grid. I remember something called control grid. Hold on. Okay. You're in documents. Okay. Documents. Control grid. Assets. Yes. You! I made these tile sets before. I wonder how I can apply this, or if it's just too different of a style where it can't work. I basically had this sketch for a game jam.
So it's kind of, in a sense, 2.5D.
2.5D, yes. Correcto, mundo. So we basically have like the robot on wheels. I asked my friend to give a sketch of the robot. This is what it looks like in 2D. Here's a sketch. And I have a ball wheel at the bottom. It's like its components. I made the actual model in what's it called? Blockbench, and then I just recreated it in Sprite. Actually, like part of this, you see how I pulled off this isometric stuff? It's the same way I pulled off the furniture in here. That's the same principle. Actually. You can see like they're isometric. So if I were to copy this little guy into here, he wouldn't look... Where is it? Buddy. I was copying you. I'm trying to paste you in. Okay. Copy. Right? Then we're gonna paste it. No? That's dumb. I think that's rather idiotic. You're right there in the clipboard. Why can't I paste you here? Oh, cause you're locked. Okay. I'm so dumb. So, I don't think he would look out of place in terms of like the perspective. He would just look out of place in terms of the art style, kinda. Because he matches the world, unlike these two who are flat backgrounds, flat PNGs of a character.
Apple.
Right. Apple. So, alright, we got Godot. World. Great. Doesn't work. Why? Why? Why doesn't it work? It still has the issue. What if I disable the plugin and enable it and reload the project?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. You know? You don't know.
Will?
Nil. I swear to God. Why? This is so weird. What's wrong with this plugin?
It's all my fault.
The plugin isn't behaving with me. I found that it's not using the new. What if I just use different? Yes. Oh. Wait, really? It's saved though. What do you mean? Can I duplicate you? No, I can't. That's... Oh, this is dumb. How did that guy in the video?
I have
I'm
not
stumped.
had the issue that you are having. That
I am
confuses
stumped.
me.
I am stumped. Let's fucking delete. I'm livid. What if I re-import the thing? What if that's just a basic issue that just won't... Re-import, buddy.
What if you close that UI and completely open it back up? I mean, like, click on... Okay. Like, click on something that's not a tile. Tree. In your node tree. And exit terrain. And then open it back up.
That's dumb. This is dumb. I'm going nuts.
I have not had that issue at all.
I'm going
in any
nuts.
way.
Why is it not working the way it should be? You know what? I'm just gonna import the same PNG. Yes. Ah! Stupid! Stupid! Huh? Ah! That's dumb. Okay, delete. Delete. What if it's a setup thing where I'm... What if I add these tiles, huh? No wonder! No wonder why it wasn't working. I didn't
You
set
didn't add the... Oh, you didn't add them to the tile set. Oh.
That's dumb. I only see... That was so confusing. That was so
That makes
confusing.
sense, because
That makes sense, but it's so confusing. Right.
Yeah, that makes sense because it wouldn't be placing tiles that don't exist. Okay.
Dirt.
Okay, buddy.
Dirt.
Remember, he pressed the... Okay. He pressed the three line thing at the top. Yeah. So
Alright.
that's where... It's
Alright.
the middle one, and then... Yeah. All that. So he said, like, top corner should be middle. All the ones that have, you know, are middle.
That's fine. Alright, so... That works, right? That's pretty much how it is, I guess. Yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I'm unsure though.
Right, now all I have to do is offset the thing. Don't I?
You're not getting the top corners. You're not getting the bottom corner.
Huh. Wait.
What corner is that?
Oh, I forgot, guys. I don't know. Now the thing
Wait.
about this, I have to offset this, so I'm gonna create
I half of a. Well, you don't need to do it in code. You could legitimately just change its position in the scene.
I know, the thing is I have two. There's two of it's script. It's tied to the script, so I'm not sure if I'm... Oh, it's just a world nav agent.
It's an actual, like, you're able to offset the entire scene.
No, I know, cause like I have scripts attached to these tile sets. What if I break something? If I make something to offset it?
Do you need the script on this specific tile set? Are you
It's-
adding any collision to any?
It's navigation. It's
It's position based. I think you might have messed up one of your tiles.
really...
I think it's that tile, the slanted, the one at the bottom. Bottom middle. That one. I think that's the one you messed up. Yep, that's looking good.
Wow. Nice. Me like. That's neat. What if I... Okay, now this actually looks interesting now. And then the normal one, I'm gonna paint.
I'd probably put the normal one on top of the other one, so you could, if you have alt tiles for like your dirt, and wanted it to be on center, it would be much easier. It's good. I'd always
tile.
create one blank tile for your, you know, for your dirt,
So,
grass. Dirt.
World 3. No. No. World. So I think... Okay, we're gonna have 3 layers. I think this one I'll call it world grid. And then this one is... That works, right? Yeah, it's fine. I don't have any decor, so this is fine.
Decor
I'm
is
also gonna
normally
route everything.
done with objects. Like all the rocks in NFG that you could just find around are objects, not tiles. There are no collision tiles inside of the entire Paxisburg sheet. There are no tiles that have collision in the entirety of Paxisburg.
Damn,
Because
really?
Steele decided to make a completely separate sheet so he could put the collision over the rooms that he's drawing. Instead of actually giving tiles collision.
Noted. This looks cool. And then I could just like offset, then like terrain.
I think there's one tile incorrect somewhere.
Okay.
You can
Oh.
rewatch the video, whatever you need.
No, because
Oh,
because there's two. Yeah. Grr. That looks cool. I swear. That's so cool. Oh my god, yes. Shouldn't this be offset? It is offset. Oh, no, okay.
It is.
I like
Remember,
this.
It's
I like
because
this.
it's actually made in a certain way where it actually has to place in the top corner because it has to be in a corner. You understand why it has to be in a corner, right?
Yeah,
Because it's offset
yes.
to the actual tile
Yes,
set.
I know. This looks
But-
so cool. I'm in awe.
And you only
Dizzy
needed to
awe.
draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me think. I have to count. So you only needed to draw. I can open my sheet.
Cool.
Only need 15 tiles for that entire thing.
Yeah, that's cool. That's why it's so feels like I'll show you
Before
read
you
out.
need like something 100 connections tiles.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah. It's
Look at this insanity.
painful.
Painful. And I have to
Yeah.
combine them too.
Actually, technically, if you just didn't need to rotate the tiles for the sheet, if you didn't draw like variants for each side, you only need to draw 8 tiles to make every possible rotation.
I know, but I'm using terrains to make these.
I'd
to make
rather have
levels.
it be
I'm using terrains to make the levels. I don't see how we can use rotated variants for like a corner or something.
no, I meant like how many sprites you actually need to draw if you
Oh.
don't count the rotating because it's technically the same sprite. If you
True.
didn't want to draw each side, that would only be 8 sprites,
8 sprites?
I believe.
8 sprites.
Something like that.
More like 8 sprites. 8 sprites. More like 8 sprites. I really love these blocks so much. Like color, they got different colors, and then these label looking things. They're an add-on of these burners thing supports. Yeah. And then you got like grass. No, spike. Grass spikes. This one, I don't know. I don't know what to do with this.
Do
I
you
really
plan
need
to add
I plan to add.
animated tiles?
No, I don't plan on doing that. For rebound though, I don't plan to.
There's only one sheet in NFG that has animated tiles, and that's the harvest's hands.
Intriguing. Absolutely intriguing. If it's in like the overworld, should I make the house actually proportionate?
I plan to actually make NFG's real house that I'm going to draw proportionate by drawing the outside with tiles first, and then actually splitting it into multiple sprites for like the front of the house. I have removed the upstairs because I didn't want Pedro's family to seem too rich.
Damn.
So now it's just been
You make
replaced
them
with
poor.
Pedro's parents' bedroom. And they do have a second bathroom to themselves. Pedro's parents.
So, this would be too big in something like, let's say, here. Like this whole area.
Well, you just cover it up so they like don't need to walk that far. They're not gonna like walk all the way to the back of the base if you just like put trees around it. And put stuff like covering up the top of it so it looks
Yeah, that's a
reasonable.
given. I'll take that into account.
Like how Crank in Who Game has just what's it like 5 or 4 trash cans just covering up that entire space for him.
If I want to make the path more messy, like how it is in the actual server, like how would I do that? Because like this
You
seems
just make
very
spots around
consistent.
it. Well, you did L-shaped tiles. These are more of the blocky type. Non-blocky type would have made it like slanted. Like it would have slanted into that. Kind of like, how would I say this? How would I say this? You see, it's not exactly an L shape, but if you look at it, it connects in an L-shaped way.
Oh yeah.
So if you wanted it slanted, you'd reduce that curve.
All right.
But I think it's fine. I don't really.
I think I just need more variants of this doohickey tile. What do dirt paths look like? What's the noise? Okay. That's the noise. Right, so you have this. I can make variants of that tile, right?
I made only 2 variants.
I'll make 4, because why not? Should I make it like squiggly lines as well, or should I just use spray can, I guess? Oh,
That's yep.
does that work?
Yep. I guess. It doesn't matter to me. I don't really know. It's your game.
Hi, Drago.
I'd optionally add rocks to that though, if you wanted real big variant. Hi. Ever heard of dual tiles, Drago?
Yes, I have.
Nice. I'm
I just
using them in
recently added it.
NFG in orange. I just added it to his what's it? 2/3
2/3. From the roots, as a matter of fact.
from the roots. The engine for From the Roots.
Hey guys, I've been working on something a little major.
Mhm.
I got a finally complete Node.js extension for Penguin Mod, which I think it should be compatible to Warp 2. I'm not sure, but it's specifically for the desktop version of both.
Oh,
then I,
what extension again?
The Node.js extension.
Nice. What exactly is it gonna do?
Basically, it lets you see computer information and also allows you to mess around with files. The file's actually on the computer itself.
Alright. Oh, that's neat.
Does it always draw with a specific tile though? Or do you have to? Because I just go to
Is there a way you could like set the chance of something?
in normal, you could probably just go to normal Godot placement for that, and it would probably work. Because Godot does have that by default.
But yeah,
You do it, but it has that.
I think I'll
check
just
this out. I made it so you can also create folders, see the end of folders, and also you can read files as not only text but as data URLs as well. So you can actually put them into the. So like for example, you can take an MP3 file and actually play it in like.
So you got
TuneChart.
actual not parsing, but what's the word that I'm looking for?
Hey Drago, do you think of my tiles?
Saw you on Aspray. The tiles actually look really good.
You have it actually like whatever. You have it actually highlighting correctly, you know. The lack of not knowing the word.
Oh my
I'm
god!
not sure
I
exactly
love
what
this!
highlighting.
I love this so much! This looks
As
so
you
good!
actually have
I'm actually amazed
focusing.
by my own work. How is this possible? How did I make this? That's
Thanks.
crazy. I love
I
it.
think the
You did do a really good job with those tiles.
I
Thank
think
you. Thank you so much.
for the corner tiles though.
Yeah, I gotta fix
I
it
do
up.
like, yeah, because they have little floaty bits of the dirt. I think is what the problem is, but I don't know. Yeah, those ones. All you gotta do is.
I love this
Yeah.
so much. This is
I
the
like
first
it too.
this is the first time I have the dopamine in such a long time. I'm having dopamine for game dev now. This is so great. I'm just gonna fix this up and I'll be fine.
Yes.
So my goal for the overworld is that I'll use a combination of house sets and sprites. Like, you know how No Spine Game is like a background of sorts. And in other games, it's like completely house set. I'm gonna use both. I love this.
Yeah. I think you should
looks
use
so
both.
good.
I think your game is in the kind of style where it would be nice to use both.
Dude. I'm gonna change the text real quick. I'm gonna save. Let's go to player. We're already in player. Let's get this. Right, we have this. I'm actually gonna make it taller. Like, we're per items, like, okay. Verbatim. That's one. I'm gonna save that for later. I'm gonna make a new one. Ooh. Nice. Sure.
This portal reloaded.
Hmm.
Yeah. I forgot the listener call. That was awesome. I love how pretty good night.
Self-praise. Guys, it's called praising yourself. I'm gonna dialogue temp. I'm gonna make it so that 0 1. What's the 8 hint? Color offset. 0 negative 15. No, that's too much. I think 10. 10 is fine. Alright, let's add more offset. Let's see. Alright, I'm adding another like 40, 35, 35, okay. Too much, undo. 30's fine, 30's fine. How does this look?
It looks nice. I like it. That looks
Okay,
really nice.
now I'm
really.
gonna use Godot's default terrain system. Add new patterns in. Okay. Terrain.
Forgot I have From the Roots on my computer.
Okay, I'm gonna add terrain. Terrain set 0.
It was downloads. I'm gonna have to find a sprite.
Alright, let's see if it worked. Nice. I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to set some sort of randomness to it, like the weight.
Yeah, Godot has that. I just don't know what that is called.
Miscellaneous, custom data, navigation, physics. Ah, probability. It's right, probability.
Here's NFGs for no reason at all.
Alright, so now when I use this terrain, it's gonna actually look random now.
Randomly.
Yes.
Yep. I gotta do that for probably rooms and NFG. But it looks nice. I like how this looks.
Alright. I just need to...
Did you write any? I'm pretty sure you have, but I
What?
don't know if you've actually exported it or actually written it in FL Studio. Haven't you already made it, like, thought up a town song? Or from the roots?
I have, but I haven't actually composed it yet.
Does it have any? Are you planning to have reoccurring melodies like how NFG has the? NFG doesn't have a town melody per se, like a specific town melody, but it has a populated area melody.
Not yet. I'm gonna change this real quick so that's like.
Deep want. I should probably do them for NFT. Water tiles, and maybe terrain tiles for vertical terrain.
Feels nice to touch grass. I'm gonna add more of these hints, like dialogue. Feels nice to touch grass. It's nice.
Thanks to Pednell Peters.
What's happening?
Hi. My name is Pednell All. So stupid. So evil.
Alright, so dialogue. We've done it, people. We've made grass tiles.
Meaning. It's happening!
It's happening! Yes. I should fix the hint boxes so that they actually use the built-in system that I made. Alright, I'm gonna stop the music real quick
But hands.
with hands. I agree. I have like, what's this? I wonder what that song's inspired by. Certainly not a specific song.
Nil games. I cannot hear your stream, by the way, because you remember you're not sharing audio.
Oh. Hold on.
Funny. Orange, I need your
Hi.
help whenever you're available.
After this, I'll eat because it's like afternoon.
This is what?
It's afternoon. It's like already afternoon for me. I haven't eaten my lunch yet.
Okay.
I have this song. It's like 4 minutes long.
Alright.
Is there like a visualizer thing? Oh, hold on. Oh my god! What is this?
A super serious scene from the roof. Where they
It feels
start-
like those visualizers in Windows XP. What's Project M? What is this?
Why is that? Why? Oh yeah. What's your favorite visualizer? Project M.
Bro, this visualizer is going crazy. Damn.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, that's enough. Is there a better song than this I could put in the background? Perchance.
Nil games.
Nil games. Okay, let's see here.
Stellar.
It's watch me get copyrighted. Oh, I swear.
The real medic dragon didn't want to utilize.
Cinematic Dragon is gonna claim my video for using his music.
Gonna claim your stream.
Okay, that's enough. Ah, that could go for a clip, you know. What else do we have?
Growth.
I think I'll call it a day for this stream. I'm gonna
Okay.
continue working on the game later, but for this stream, I'll call it a day. That was really interesting.
Growth.
I'll go back to VC after I eat, probably, but I think you need to go to bed.
It's not my bedtime yet.
Okay.
Soon
Well,
to be.
I
Soon
will-
to be, though.
Soon to be, though.
Mm.
But I shall
If you see me, you'll see me.
I'll see you. In a billion years.
Oh.
Actually, before I end the stream, I'm gonna actually record as well. Nah, not yet. Okay. Let's play a nice song. I think I need to play a nice song. I'm gonna record a clip. Dun 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 dun. I think either this or this. I want to play it in the background. Alright, so let's full screen this nonsense. Oh hey, they matched the pixels too. That's actually nice. That's something very important for me. That the character matches the pixels. Do you think the dialogue kind of looks out of place though? Like in terms of pixel
I wonder
size.
if I do it with black text, full white bubble, and maybe outline the bubble is how I do it, but I don't think that's how you do it, and I don't think it matters how I do it if you're making the game.
I mean the pixels, like, you notice it's like, if you look closely at the pixels.
Well, move. Huh. It kind of moves
It's
not
half
at the same time.
It's moving at, how do I say this?
Oh, is this okay?
It's
What-
because it's being rendered on
Is your UI layer?
it's on the UI layer.
Yeah, I just render it in world.
I would have an issue though, because like, the reason I had it in the UI is because it's like, it would be very big if I actually put one in here, so let's close that first.
Oh. Is it
Like, let's say-
actually like bigger than the sprite art?
Yep, let's say I put dialogue type A, or type A actually. That's how big it is.
I don't think it's too big. I think that's fine.
So, I'm gonna open it real quick. Of course it's not visible. Let me make it visible, actually. Why is it not visible? That's so weird. But like, that's what it looks like though.
I don't think it's too big. That's a decent size. It looks like how it actually looks in Steels. Because text bubbles are supposed to be big, so you could see them.
I'll take a screenshot. I'll take another screenshot.
That's a rune.
Ah, real. I'm gonna make a poll.
Yeah, I think it should be the second one because it's tied to pixels. And I feel like the first one just looks too small.
I'll make a poll.
Well, it's okay. It kind of looks like you're trying to say, should I make it, because it's not clear that you're saying that A is pixel perfect. It kind of looks like you're just saying it's spiky, but I know those are all the different tails it can have. Because, look, the screenshot you have has every tail of that text box visible.
Okay, actually, I'll delete. Hold on, I'll delete this.
Yeah. I could delete this.
I can't
all
hide it
there.
though. I think I'll just modify it in the screenshot.
Yep. You could take or you could do that.
This will work for the wrong reasons. Delta rune. He Delta in my rune.
Real.
The song that plays when you like purple.
Didn't you show the side? I mean, shouldn't it have been the side tail that you used because it's to the side of the character?
Oh god dang it. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. I should fix that.
Sorry. It's
No,
entirely my fault, I know. Oh, you're just
Real.
gonna, yeah. Makes sense.
fine. Fair enough. There's a partners update. Should I use it?
You're just gonna, yeah.
I don't. Is that actually gonna pick anyone?
It is, but that's what it's used for.
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
using
Should
it
I use it
correctly.
then? Is it used correctly if I just bring it for a poll?
I'm gonna say
want a break from the ads?
What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna lower that down. But as you were saying,
Yeah, just ping them. You can partner ping.
okay, yeah, I'll also do it on my server because Coolio, the cool from the roots.
Watch everybody leave because of that.
Nah, everybody leave from that.
My server drops like 50 members.
My
It
bad. It's
doesn't
my
even have
fault.
50 members. My server doesn't even have 50 members, and it drops 50 members. How many members do I have, actually?
My
I'm gonna
bad.
check.
It's my fault, guys. It's okay.
I only have 44 members. I'm going to vote in from the Roots as well. I mean, in the Orange Leaf Studios as well, because evil.
I'm gonna add the favorite, the best emoji of the server. Yeah. I'll vote myself to frick you. It's another way of saying, who voted frick you? Oh, I did. Okay, my fault. My bad. I'll do it on. I'll forward it to like multiple other places. Uh, I'm gonna theme div. Where the hell is it? Everywhere. Media. What's the other one? Your stuff.
My stuff? Okay.
Orang. Orang makes things, of course. And Orang drinks things. So I'm gonna have to make polls for each.
I like how Tavian's channel, Steel's channel, just says Tavian channel real. And your Orang channel and Blue's channel is just Blue channel. It doesn't even have a super special name. That's evil. It's special because it's not special. That's how it's special, if you understand. He's the only one that gets the not special name, which makes his name special.
For this
Mm.
is dialogue box.
Mm. I'm voting on
Yeah.
all of them. Hey. All of them that I can. I
Eh.
don't think I'm in some of the servers he forwarded that to.
Where's the other one? I forwarded to MT's Discord server as well. I'm gonna check on that.
Yeah. How many people actually have partners updates? Man. I'm going to check server settings just to see which people actually have that role. There's... Okay, wait. Forgot to read it. I clicked on it immediately. There are 14 people with, partner
Nice.
updates. Let's see. It's me, it's Mr. Man, it's Ad1340, it's Base Elf, it's Bit Disco, Kelly Lee, Pattern, it's Sky, Moon Wirer, who was the Hero Brian person that joined.
Hero Brian.
and it's not the creator. It's you. You have that
I
role.
have it. Okay.
It's Phil, and it's UYTPPILL, and it's Uninom. Ukinum.
Oh, that's my artist friend. The former,
Yeah.
that's the former co-writer, co-artist from The Roots. I say former because this is my thing. She helped me make the old story so much. She helped me give the first idea for From the Roots. She helped me develop it. I'd like to give the credit, part of the credit to her, but she says that she's just building on top of what I've been writing. Basically, I wanted to go in a new direction, and I wanted to try making things on my own. I think so far,
Yeah.
despite the countless amount of months of not properly working on the game, I've come and make some great, okay-ish progress so far. Like you got, yeah, you got, yeah, yeah, you got, yeah. That's so many cool stuff. I even
Yes.
have room
We have this.
transitions.
We have dirt tiles. We have dirt tiles. We also have dirt tiles.
We got dirt tiles, and we got room
to forget.
transitions. Because, like, if I remember correctly, I was working on an Undertale mod called Fallenbot, and another original. Sorry, this is private, team private. Another original visual novel called Within the Pages. They both had room transitions. I think they both had complicated room transitioning systems. Mine's just really easy to wrap around.
Mine is simple for the most part. I'm gonna make it more simple soon.
I think
Because mine also has to account for where you're gonna spawn in that next room, and if there's a cutscene immediately playing in that room.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. I should take account of that as well. I think I should have it like
Because what
trigger
Steel
it-
used to do is he just had a animation player in that room that would spawn you in the correct place, but that doesn't actually move the camera with the player. Because on the first frame they'd always be. So what I did is I actually made a custom script to instance the player in that exact position upon the first frame of switching into that room. That means the player position needs to be held inside of the room switch, not in the actual room itself.
Oh,
Which sounds crazy, but it's not really that crazy. That's what I believe most people do in Game Maker. Because I had to do that in Game Maker. too.
I think if I'm gonna have something happen the moment we transition into another room, maybe I'll like have I think I would have like script objects kind of thing. Script nodes.
Grim, and have you thought of have you already, I don't know if you already implemented it, but the event system? So like if I have certain events in my events array interacting with a character, they'll check, hey, does he have this event? Okay, then let's set our interaction to this.
I have something else called global flag, which is just a dictionary. Basically, I have it here. It's either settings flags. That's it.
Oh.
And I can check framework dot data dot globals, and I'll check the flags here.
So you have it as a dictionary, so you could have it set to more than just, oh, it's there, it's not there. You could have it set to like, let's say,
I could set it to
an
an integer.
integer.
Like how? Yeah, exactly. How many times something did this, or maybe I could set
Okay.
it to a boolean, or
I'm
maybe I could
probably
set
gonna
it.
do that now.
Yeah, you're gonna do that now, are you? Because the dictionary is way more robust than a simple,
Yeah.
measly.
When you first said dictionary, I was afraid like you were gonna say, oh yeah, I have every possible flag listed in this dictionary by default.
No, it's
That's
blank.
false.
It's blank. It's blank. And then I can just set new ones.
It's dynamically added to the
Yes, dynamically added. Therefore, Therefore, I could have the. I could say, I can make the player save file dynamic. Please, like it doesn't have to be one gigantic big ass save file. I could have it like flags, like flag this, flag A, flag B, flag C, flag D, etc. Flag mother.
But it sounds weird, but I was gonna split it into, hey, chapter 1, set all the flags, okay. Now we're in chapter 2. Let's save all the flags in a specific location for chapter 1 if they want to go back to chapter 1, or if we want to read chapter 1 data. Let's save all these chapter 2 flags separate. I don't know if that's a good idea anymore.
I don't think it's a good idea. I think in that matter you could have.
Because I want to be able to edit flags from chapter 1 in chapter 2.
I think you'd rather have, if you want to check how far the player has gone, you could like set flags chapter 1 complete, chapter 2 complete, chapter 3 complete, or something. Or maybe, completed this save file. Or maybe, let's say, because like from the root, the whole idea, the broad idea is that there's 7 games, or 7, there's one main game and there's 6 spin-offs that are like same world, perhaps different. Maybe it's maybe a sequel, or maybe it follows the events of another. So I could have everything in one global flags dictionary, and I could say, if in this time, in this story, if I've done X and Y, and then I go to another story, and the game in the other story knows that I did X and Y in the first story. Let's say I did, let's say in the first story I did a significant event and it changes the course of things, and then if I'm gonna play in another story, you're gonna hear about what I've done in the first story. Like know how Dwarf Fortress. You've heard of that, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They made it so realistic, and like there's systems on top of systems. Each time they wanted to add more realism to that, they're gonna test it first, and then they're gonna implement it where it's cohesive with everything else. There's a video that I think you should take a look at if you have time for it.
That game.
This one. Dwarf Fortress. This one.
I was gonna really cool. say, I don't need to save every little thing, and I love Steel's code, and I know it's much better now. I don't understand why. This is actually a save code, I believe, for Who Game.
Show me. What the hell? Oh my god.
Because he's saving the position of everything in that room, which I could somewhat understand, but I don't think it's the kind of game that needs that.
Do yourself a favor and try out persistence flags. There's a thing called persistence flags. Okay.
I only need to save what has actually changed.
Persistence in game. Yeah, okay.
And look how big it is. Okay.
This one, this one.
A game dev secret about backgrounds. Take a look at Isadora running around in this mountain scene. The background feels a little weird, right? It's distance.
Wait, no, I think that's the wrong video.
Who Game does have
keys. Okay.
This did hint at, if you look at the top, it does say that Who Game does have quests.
Oh.
And also Steel's username on his computer is
on
Steel, so I'm going to use that to prank him now.
Okay.
If he actually does play NFT, that would be so funny.
Are called in the correct order when a room starts. I use persistent manager objects.
So I think Steel doesn't have to do that much in a save file. That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I think you can just make persistence keys Like,
I agree.
if let's say I have a trash can in room A, and I destroy that trash can, the persistence key is going to say that the player has destroyed the trash can. Now I'm gonna leave the room. When I come back, it's still going to be destroyed, basically.
Hmm.
It's gonna check the persistence flag.
Does your game have like a base save code? Not a base save code, like a base save file. Like before everything in the game starts, you have the clean slate, which is an actual save file with like preset variables.
I don't. Basically, an empty dictionary is a clean slate for my game at the moment because there's
that's
nothing.
exactly how that
There's
works for
nothing.
me too.
There's nothing. This would be technically the save file. Not really, because there's also player data.
There's
Right?
also player data. Yeah,
There's
that's
also player
exactly
data.
how mine works too.
I have player data and I have flags. Flags is for events and other stuff, etc., nonsense, blah 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 blah. Other stuff, yeah. It's blank
I think
from the start. That means nothing happened yet. If you have a blank save file, it means you barely started the game, and I should be expecting that this is what your starting gear looks like. I'm gonna detect tampering if you make a new save file, and I notice that you have the most powerful weapon in the game.
I legitimately don't care if anybody cheats at NFG and edits their save file.
Mm, I'm just gonna have the game be aware about it, but it's not gonna care. It's just gonna, oh, you modified your save file? Very cool. You know how
Hard mode.
computers work. Thank you. And let's keep playing the game. Likewise, if you pirate my game, if the game's like, okay, cool. Thanks for playing. Because like, you know how companies are like, oh no, you stole our money. You played our game without paying the right price. And then every other indie dev, when someone pirates the game, okay, most indie devs, when someone pirates their game, it's like the pirate's gonna be like, haha, I pirated your game. And then the dev's like, thanks for playing. I hope you enjoyed it. Great job. And then there's one case where the developer themselves put their game on torrent on the Pirate Bay. He's doing service so that the pirates don't have to do it themselves. And that's basically free marketing.
If I don't really care too much because I don't know anything about making my game safe in that way. I just rather you not. I don't care really. But if I ever did something like that, I'd want to purposefully upload a hard mode version not because I don't want you to buy. It would be so funny. It would be so funny. That's my only reason why.
Intriguing.
There's already a few reactions to that in Orange Leaf server. There's like 3 votes for Pixel Perfect.
Yeah, I've seen it. That's gonna be an entirely different stream.
Well, it would be. I'm pretty sure it makes more sense. It would fix the positioning problem, and it will look pixel perfect with the rest of your game.
Go slow down, you meanie.
Oh, so I don't think that really needed in any technically in any way really needed to be on the UI layer, because if you have somebody off screen talking like with their
you don't need to render.
partially
You don't
on
need
screen,
to render that.
It's because
well, what's the point of
it's supposed to.
It's supposed to be hidden. Yeah.
It's supposed
to
to render the way it is supposed to render.
I'm gonna be ending the stream soon because I need to eat lunch.
Oh yeah, you could go do that.
I shall eat it. Alright, I'm gonna cue it in the outro music if I can find a song. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I should have read chat. Oh my god, there's like 3 new messages.
Gaming.
Fine. Gaming, yeah.
Gaming.
Okay, let's check our agenda before we leave. Did we make code?
Made art.
We did.
Which was good.
Did we rework Overworld? Kinda.
Somewhat.
Check mark. Somewhat. Success. I'm gonna be ending this stream. So we're gonna remove these 2. We're gonna make new ones. And anyway,
Real.
thank you.